bring my dog food. You are in the good hands. Yes.
So may skin your labels na lang ako sa makita mo performance. Actually, she's from Tolosa.
Yes, I'm from Tolosa.
So this time, let's have an English language. So,
Yes.
okay?
It's okay at your choice because you know what? I would like to say, I hope you understand my English because my English is assorted. Yes. Very assorted, pero my English is tama yun siya, nagkakagulo lang. Kayo na mag-a-adjust magpasok. Yes. But, consumable only. Yes.
So we have some few questions. We prepared few questions.
Okay, but I don't have an answer.
Ikaw na bahala.
Comment
Or anong mga messages mo?
Anong masasabi mo?
Pupuli ka ng
We are African.
Adjust sa catering.
Okay. Sige, sit down.
Sit down.
Kasi ikaw ang sige namin.
Ikaw
Kasi
sila.
yes.
Ikaw may ganun mga...
Uy, hindi na ako eh. Napapakot ako kakayo. Papaikutin ko kayo mamaya.
Alright! So everyone,
Yes.
first picture. First picture.
Ang tagal
First
naman.
picture, please.
Hoy, projector. Ang tagal-tagal mo ha.
It's red one, red one.
Mas asa kaya dyan?
Yan.
Ano masasabi mo dyan?
Ay, ganda honor. Iibuti na lang ako. Ano ko napapakot.
So comment about the picture. Let's go.
Lumaki po ako sa farm.
English! English!
I'm born again in pharmacy. Yes. And I am not passenger my schooling.
What can you say about this Alice?
Saan daw
Yes,
pag-live?
as the yes. I don't know as one Canadian person, but I can see in social media, TikTok, Facebook, but never mind. Okay. Yes, kasi mas may kinakain sila kaysa sa akin, kaya ay kumuhusgahan ng mga tao may kinakain.
Correct naman. Sige, sige. How about next picture?
Ikaw na lang ako na.
Next picture?
Hindi ako na lang umikot. Oh my God! May inay. Yes, Aling Rina is my mother in social media. She is a very nice and we have a very, very good heart and her tata. I'm very happy because Ina is a big help to my life. So she is the reason I can provide to ang luti na. Kaya anong tamang umaga ng signal. She can advising me about how to prioritize your family planning. Yes.
Okay, how about the next picture?
Oh my God. Yes, si Diwata. May kasama ako nandun pamilya ni Kapang. Yawa naman sila. Si Yawa. Yawa ng Tacloban.
So what can you say about Diwata?
Diwata, friend kami sa TikTok niyan, pero never meet pa in person. But when I show in Manila, I visit her in a place, Diwata Paris, wala siya doon, nag-rest in peace na daw. So kaya, sayang yung pinamasahe namin, umuwi na lang kami.
Okay, so we have
Oo.
Okay, yeah.
Yes, maybe next time, get there soon, Diwata.
How about the next picture?
Oh my God. Buhay pa yan, ha? Kaya magtaka. That's my mother.
Yes.
Yes, my mother is the reason why I'm here right now in the global warming. Yes, my mother is, we have a lot of experience. We have a lot of bullying, nanguhusga, ngunit lumalaban sa buhay. Nung dumating yung time na sa dami nanguhusga, nanlalait sa nanay ko. Minsan pinahiyak ko na siya. Pinahiyak ko na siya na siya yung nanay ko. Hanggang hindi na ako napag-aral, hindi na ako nakatapos. But I can handle myself. Nag-i-English na namin. Yes. But so that's why, kinahila ko nga ng nanay ko. Ngayon proud na proud ako sa kanya kasi nakakalipad na siya. And yung my mother, yes.